fascinating words with a silent K. First up is knee. You might not notice it, but that K is quietly resting while we bend our legs. Next, we have knife. This essential kitchen tool has a silent partner, making it all the more intriguing. Then there's knot, where the K ties itself up in silence, just like a shoelace that keeps our shoes secure. Moving on to know, the silent K hints at the knowledge we possess, often sparking those lightbulb moments. And who could forget the brave knight? With armor and valor, the K stands still while tales of chivalry unfold. When we knock, that silent K is like a secret invitation to enter. Kneeled shows us humility, whether in prayer or sports, with the K quietly supporting our actions. Finally, Knickknack brings a playful touch to our homes, showcasing little treasures while the K remains unnoticed. Each of these words teaches us about the beauty of language and the silent letters that enrich our vocabulary.